Right. So in the previous class we have discussed about nth child, okay, pseudo selector, and by using that how we did this, and we have completed this. Sorry, 1 second, wait. And by using that nth selector and by using some classes, we have completed this chessboard also. You are observing that this chessboard. Able to see my screen at everyone. Hello. Okay. Yeah, this is the chessboard we have created in the previous class. Okay, so to make this chessboard, what is the tags we have used? We have used a table tag. And what is the properties of chessboard? It should contain 8 rows and every row should contain 8 columns. Okay, it should contain 8 rows and every row should contain 8 columns, and alternative rows should get alternative stripes. Alternative rows should get alternative stripes. Suppose if a first row odd numbers is odd numbers is black, in the second row even number should be black, in the third row again odd number should be black, in the fourth row again even number should be black, like that. So alternative row should get alternative stripes. Okay, so successfully have completed that also. Now today onwards what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about divs. So whatever it may be, table tags or else div tags, whatever it may be, table tags or else div tags, those are all nothing but space occupiers in the browser. What are those? Space occupiers in the browser. That means we will occupy some space. Suppose I will take a table tag. Then what I will do, I will assign some width and height. So I will occupy that much width and height. Suppose I will take a div tag. So what I will do, I will assign a width and height. So that much space I will occupy. Suppose see here. Right. Now see here. So see there, what is the thing I am doing? I am taking a div tag here. I have taken close it. See there. So what is the thing I have taken here in the body tag? Please respond everyone. What is the thing I have taken here? Hello?
Div tags.
Div tag. Okay, right. Now observe in the browser. See there, did we occupy anything space? Did we occupy any space?
No, sir.
Just we have taken a division, but we did not occupy with anything. Okay, just suppose write there Ramesh. Save it and refresh. Right click there and inspect element. See there, we have taken a division in the browser. Okay, but up to where we have occupied up to here only. But if you observe there, if you observe in the browser, wait one minute, sorry. If you observe here in the browser, if I over and here, how much width it is taking? Entire device width. See there, from here to here it is occupying. One more time, see it. Occupying or not? Entire device width. See there, 1350 into 18 it is coming. Hello? Hello? Observing or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
you are observing 1350 into 18 or not? So what is 1350? It is width. And what is 18? That is the height, 18 px. Okay. So we have occupied some division. Okay. So entire device width it is occupying. So if you don't want to occupy entire device width, then what you need to do? You need to assign width and height. So if you want to assign width and height, you need to write CSS. So if you want to write CSS, we have 3 types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Okay. Suppose here I am writing inline CSS. So what happens if you want to write inline CSS? We need to write here style attribute equal to double quotations width colon 200 px, height colon 200 px. And if you want to see proper output, either you should give background color or else border. Suppose here I am writing background color. Orange. Now save it and come here and refresh. Now you are seeing particular space or not in the browser. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, if we have one line, it's okay, we can write. Suppose whenever we are designing a web page, you need to write so many hundreds of div tags. You need to write at least hundreds of div tags. Suppose if what happens if we write inline CSS, if there are any modifications, what you need to do? Again, you need to go to that particularly that HTML tag, and there you need to modify. It will take so much time, and the page size also will be increased so much. So instead of that, what I will do? I will write internal CSS. So how to write? We need to go to the head tag. Nowadays everybody is writing internal CSS in the body tag also, but write in the head tag is best choice. So open style tag there in the head tag, and in the style tag only we need to write the CSS. So come here. Now come here and refresh. Is it working properly? Please respond. Is it working properly?
No, sir.
Like
Not
previously,
working.
same output we are getting? No. Why?
You don't
You
connect
have
it to
written
the
CSS. Yeah, you have written CSS here. You have written HTML here. But is there any connection? Suppose if you want to talk to me, so you have saved my number. Can we able to talk? Can we able to talk? No.
sir.
Either I should call you or else you should call me. Like that. Here also HTML code. Here is CSS code, but they are not talking each other. How they will talk? To which tag I want to implement? To the div tag. So here I am writing div tag, div div. Open here curly braces and close here curly braces. Now save it. Now refresh here. Coming or not?
Coming, sir.
It's coming, sir.
Okay, right. Suppose I want to, yeah. Suppose I want to take one more div tag. So this is second div tag is coming, but I want to give different background color and a different width and height. I want to give different background color and different width and height. Then how it is possible?
Class attributes.
Either we should go class or ID. For only CSS purpose, better to go for class. Okay, for only CSS purpose, better to go for class. So now if we want to do this, what is the thing we need to do? We need to take a class. Why? See, I did not write CSS for this second div tag. I have written only CSS for div tag. But what we fail? Okay, it will apply for only first div tag like that. That is not correct. See, what is the selector we have used here? Div. So that what happens? How many divs in the body tag? For all the divs it will apply. For all the divs it will apply. Suppose if you want to apply different things, means you need to assign here different class names. Suppose here I am writing class equal to first. Here I am writing class equal to second. Then what is the thing I need to write here? What is the class name? Please respond. What is the class
First.
name? First.
First.
So I need to write here first, but first is user defined. So browser itself cannot understand by default. So if you want to consider this first as a class, you need to put here dot. So what browser will understand? First it will read this dot first. Whenever it is seeing the dot first, what happens? the browser will search for class equal to first. The browser will search for class equal to first. Okay, everyone, the browser will search for class equal to first. So wherever this class equal to first is finding, there the CSS properties will be applied. Now come here and refresh. It will apply for only first. It is not applying for second. Okay, right. Suppose if you want to apply CSS for another one, then what is the thing we need to do? Dot second, curly braces. I am writing here width 200 px, height 200 px, background color as green. Now come here and refresh. Coming or not?
Coming, sir.
So this is how we will apply different properties for the same HTML elements by using classes. See, if you observe here line number 19 and 20, both are same text. What are those? Div tags only. But I am applying different properties. Here background color is green, here background color is orange. How? By using class only. Suppose see here 300 px, 400 px. See there. Different things we are getting. Understand, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now see here, and here I am taking div class equal to basic border. What is that? Basic border. What is our class name? Basic border. Okay, right. Now what I'm doing here, dot basic border. I'm taking here width 200 px, height 200 px, background color dark blue. So here it is coming like this. I want some external space between the second and third. So if you want a external space, what is the property we need to use? Sahu, please respond. If you want external space, what is the property we need to
Padding.
use?
Padding, sir.
External space. Sahu.
Margin,
External
sir.
space. Margin. Okay, what is that? Margin.
Margin.
So if you want external space, either you should give margin bottom for second or else margin top for third. That means basic border. Okay. So suppose here I'm giving margin from the which position, from the bottom position. How much? I'm giving, for example, 30 px. Right. See there, I'm getting this space. Now here what I'm doing, I am writing here border. Okay. 2 px solid black. So in the border, for one single border property, we can assign three values. First value is the thickness of the border. Second value is the style of the border. Third value is the color of the border. Okay. So style means straight line or else dashes or else dots. What is the border type you want? And this one is 2px thickness. Okay, thickness of the border. And this one is color. What is the color you want? I want black color only. Now come here and refresh. See there, all the four positions is getting border or not? Please respond, everyone. All four positions is getting border or not?
Not, sir. No, sir. Only the one
Is it?
blue color div.
You see, okay, only blue, but all four positions I'm asking. This one's top position, right position, bottom position, left position. That is what I'm asking. All four
Yes,
positions
sir.
is getting border. Okay,
Yes.
that is what I'm
Yes.
asking. Okay, all
Okay.
four positions are getting. All four positions are getting. Okay, right. Suppose I want to give different borders for different positions, different border colors. Then what I need to do? Suppose see there I am increasing it is to 10 px. Now observe. Okay, now I want to apply different borders. Suppose border top black, border hyphen top. See there it will apply for only top, not all the person, sorry, all the positions, only top it is applying. Okay, right. Then here border hyphen right, 10 px, solid red, border hyphen bottom, ten px solid green, border hyphen left, 10 px solid orange. Save it and come here. See here we are getting different borders or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you observe there, from where the borders is starting, after completion of width and height or not? That means exactly from the completion of width and height or not? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, it is coming surrounding, it is coming depends upon the width and height only. Okay, right. And if you observe here, what is border top means, what is the positions? Corner from the left side corner, top left corner and top right corner is treated as border top. Okay, the corner, top right corner and bottom right corner is treated as right side, and bottom right corner, the space between bottom right corner and the bottom left corner is treated as border bottom, and the space between bottom left corner and top left corner is stated as border left. Understand, right? See here corners, depends upon the corners only it is working. See there only this one depends upon that only the borders is separating. You are observing or not? Corners.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
yes.
depends upon the corners only it is separating. The borders are separating. Depends upon the corners only the borders are separating. Okay, everyone? Right. Now depends upon this example, can you able to make a triangle? Like this. Like this. Forget about this shape, but this shape. Okay, so try to do this, depends upon this, try to do it. See how much width and height also you can give. That means one more time I'm giving clue also. Okay, you can observe, you can give here 1200 px, you can give here 1200 px, or else 0 px and 0 px also you can give. Okay, depends upon the width and height only, border will is depends upon the width only, height only, border will works. Okay, how much width and height you have given, depends upon that only border will be works. Understanding it? So depends upon width and height and border, make this triangle. Understand it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Understand the task, right? So try to do it. I'm giving you 10 minutes time. Try to give it. So now it is exactly 8:30. I will ask it at 8:40. 10 minutes time. Okay. Right. Thank you, everyone. I'm stopping recording. I'm giving you 10 minutes time. Right. This one. Try to do this triangle. Irfan, Vinod, Balagan. You are understand, right? Yeah. Task.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try to do implement it. See, whenever the faculty is teaching, everybody listens and a little bit they will understand also. But most of the time, the students are failing analyzation. So if you analyze it properly, automatically you can create that triangle. Very simple. Yeah, only 6 minutes. Already 4 minutes completed. Sahu, you are trying, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
Yeah, right. 4 minutes. Three minutes. Yeah, Vinod, are you trying? Vinod Alwala. Hello, Vinod. You're self-muted.
Hello, just sir, I am observing.
Sir, okay. Yeah, hi Vishal. Good morning. Is this your first class, right? Vishal, are you there? Yeah, this is our first class, right? Yeah, self-muted. Yeah, only 1 minute. Right, time up. So please respond, everyone. Anybody tried? Anybody ready to share their screen? Hello? Forget about output. At least are you ready to share your screen? Hello?
Sir, I tried that, sir, but it didn't come properly.
Who?
Anbu,
Sahu or
Anbu,
yeah,
sir,
right.
yeah.
1 second, wait. I will record. 1 second, wait. Right. So time up. We will check one of the students' computers. Right. I'm making you presenter.
Okay.
Right. Now share your screen.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah. Right. Okay. This is how you are getting. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, open that
Whatever I
code.
given it come as a
Yeah.
square. Yes.
Okay. Border 0 page, border right. Then again, why are you writing border 0? Remove that border 0. So what I told, whatever width also I can write, whatever height also we can write. Okay, depends upon the width and height, border will work. So right there,
Okay.
width colon 0 px, height colon 0 px. right there, width colon 0px. No, yeah, in the place of border hyphen top, right there.
Oh.
Okay. No, everything should be same border. That means line number 7, yeah, border right, border bottom, border left. Give with equal thickness. Equal thickness.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, border top also. Different color, but right. Now change that width and height to 0px. Line number 10 and 11. Since you don't using width and height, no need to use their background color. And remove the text hyphen L in center. Line number 12 and 13.
Okay. Background color also, right?
Yeah. Go to line number 18, remove the test. Line number 18, remove the test. 4 letters. Now save it, check in the browser how it is. Coming or not triangles? They respond.
Yes.
Okay, you want only one. Yeah, we want only one. So what is that? Border, bottom. Okay. So remaining, what is the thing we need to do? We need to make it background. Yeah, no. Background color is white. So we need to give their background color as white or else transparent. If you give transparent, what happens? It will merge in the parent's background color. So better to write there transparent. Go to that VS Code. Sorry, yeah. Except border bottom, remaining color change it to transparent in the place of black. Yeah, change it to transparent. Go to the right and top also. Right and top. Save it. Now go to the browser and refresh.
Super, sir. Yeah, coming, sir. Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you, sir.
simple. Yeah, very simple. Understand it, everyone? Yeah, put yourself mute, Balgan. Right.
Thank you, sir.
So clear it, everyone. Sahu, did you try? Hello.
I don't make it, sir.
Okay, means you tried or not?
Yes, sir.
Make it, yeah, then display it. Not a problem. Yeah, share your screen.
There is a problem in the code.
Okay. See it style where you need to put. You are putting a style in the triangle. That is wrong. Cut that style there. Cut it there. Control X. Go to Control X. Yeah. Go to the line number 6 last. Go to the line number 6 last. Yeah. Okay. Press there, enter. Exactly where is the cursor. Press there, enter. Okay. Paste it there. Control V. Okay. Remove that style ending. No. Okay. Already there. Okay. After line number 15, press there, enter. Wait 1 second. After line number 15, press there, enter. Yeah. There. Paste it. Okay. Wait 1 second. Less than slash. Wait. Don't do anything. Less than slash style greater than. Save it. No, save. Control yes. That's it. Okay, that is how it is coming. Right. Now go to that VS Code. So what is the thing we need to give? Width 0px, height 0px, but we'll manage through borders. Okay, right. Yeah, in my computer I will tell other persons you can modify your code. Okay, Sahu, you also. Okay, right. Yeah, right. Now what I'm doing, one more time observe. So I'm taking HTML page. Okay, right. Now here what I'm doing is I am taking a class called triangle. Triangle, okay? Right. Now what is our class name? Please respond. Triangle. Okay. So whenever we have discussed about border, what I told, depends upon the width and height, the borders will work. Okay. And if you observe here, how the shape is corner shapes. Corner shapes. I don't want any rounded shapes or not. Very sharp corner shapes. Okay, sharp shapes. Okay. Right. So if you want sharp, you need to give hey width and height as 0 px. Width 0 px. Height 0 px. Now here what I'm doing, I'm writing here border top, writing as 100 px, solid black, border right, red, bottom 100 px, solid orange, left 100 px, solid green. Now save it, come here. Okay, first execute in the browser. Right, see there, this is black color top side and right side is a red color, bottom side orange color, left side green color is coming. Now what is the parents, what is the parent for this div tag? What is the parent for this div tag? Body. Okay, so what is the body color? What is the body's background color?
White, sir.
White. So what is the position I want? Triangle. I want bottom's position triangle. Okay, then what I need to, the thing I need to do, I need to assign here white color for all positions except orange. That means bottom. So now see here, it is coming like this. So triangle is coming. Suppose in future the client ordered me background body background color, change it to sky blue. Sky blue. Body's background color. Now what happens? Pure triangle is coming? No. Of course triangle is coming, but here this parts also is coming. So I don't want that. So in that case, what I need to do again, I need to write here sky blue. If you write here sky blue, in future if we want to change it to red color, what he will do? Again you will change it to red color? No. So what I want, what we need to do, we need to match this color with parents background color. We need to match this color in the parents background color. So how can I make? By using transparent. So that what happens, it will match in the parents background color. Come here and refresh. All the colors are matching in parents background color. Suppose if you change this to blue colors, not a problem. Green also not a problem. Understand it, everyone? Please respond.
Yes,
So
sir.
why width
Got it.
and height equal to 0 px?
So you?
Yes, sir. So why width and height equal to 0 px? Sir?
No, already I told, right? Why you want sharp corners or not? Suppose see here. Okay. Whenever there is colors, how it is see there. Can I observe here? Width and height 0 px means what? This one or not? Please observe this one or not? Hello?
Yes,
Okay. So from here onwards, 100 px is working for the top side. So how these positions will be separated depends upon the corner or not. So here top left corner is separating here from here to here. So this is called border top. Then after top right corner to bottom right corner, this space is called as border right. So it is also getting 100 px width thickness. This one like a border bottom also. So this the last corner, see there, this corner. Okay, the corner of border right side and the corner from border left side, the space between border left side is called as border bottom. So from here only it is starting up to here 100 px. Same way left also. So see there, from where this border, all the borders are starting from here only. Why? Because width and height is 0 px. Understand, right, Sahu? Okay, since the width and height is 0, there is no particular width and height. So that means from the here only itself it is starting. Suppose if we have any width and height, what happens? Suppose see there. Now observe here. It's coming like this. So width is 50 px, height is 50 px, and here this is the separators. Since that is 0, 0, previously it is came like that, but now it is coming like this. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Top left corner, top right corner, bottom right, top right corner and bottom right corner, bottom right corner and bottom left corner, bottom left corner and top left corner. This is how they have separated. So, but it is not forming exact triangles. So if you want exact triangles, you should give us 0, 0. What happens? There won't be any space between the triangles. It will be like this. And then what you will do, which position you want to display triangle, that position you will leave like that. The remaining positions you will apply background color as transparent. Okay, clear, right, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's it. So this is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we'll make this rest of the shapes, this shapes and this shape. So anybody interested people, you can take this screenshot, and by tomorrow class you can make it also, not a problem. Okay, so this shape draw in a paper or else take a screenshot, this shape and this shape and this shape also, draw it. Drawn or not? Please respond. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right, then after this shape, then after vertical triangles, then after horizontal triangles, this one like this. Drawn, completed, please respond.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so by tomorrow class, how many shapes is possible, try to do that. If you don't make any single shape also, not a problem. However, I will tell you in the tomorrow class. Okay, right. Thank you everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow we'll meet and we will discuss the
Sir,
topics.
please
Okay.
share the previous class in mail, sir. Previous class on
Yeah,
notes.
yeah. Okay, I will share that. Okay, I forgot to share. I will share that. Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Right. Yeah, everybody is understanding my classes, right? Please respond. Yeah, we know the
Yes, sir.
yeah, right. So we also get some new thing today, I think. Vinod, this triangle
Yeah,
shape.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Right. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Right. Vishal, did you understand? You attend in the. You came in the last. Vishal, you there? Vishal Sonawane. Sonavan. So now on. Okay. Right. Thank you everyone. Thanks for attending my classes. So tomorrow we'll meet and we'll complete this. Okay. Right. Thank you. Bye everyone.